Hi, hello, and welcome. And hey, let's make something awesome today. You see this curry? Well, it is a Nyonya Chicken Curry, and this is the curry I'm sharing the recipe of with you today. This curry is part of the culinary heritage of the Nyonya community of Malaysia. You'll love this curry. Now let's see what ingredients we need. I have 800 grams of bone-in skinless chicken pieces here. You can leave the skin on if you wish. We can keep this aside for now while we prep the other ingredients. I have the bottom bits of about 2.5 inches or so of 3 stalks of lemongrass. I am just about to bruise these lemongrass with my chopper. Bang goes the first one and the others follow suit. Six kaffir lime leaves come next. Slice these leaves into thin strips. I'm adding these because I love the fragrance and flavor of the kaffir lime leaf. I next have 3 stalks of curry leaves. 3 medium-sized potatoes come next on the ingredient list. Now cut these potatoes into chunks. Not too big or they won't cook in time, and not too small or they might dissolve in the gravy. Now slow and steady does it. Yes! I'm going to make the all-important curry paste now. 12 grams of fresh ginger goes in. 8 cloves of garlic next. About 1.5 inches fresh turmeric. 5 candle nuts. You can use macadamia nuts instead. 1 big onion chopped. $20 grams of a dried shrimp paste called belacan. A heaping tablespoon of chili powder. 4 tablespoons meat curry powder. And some water to grind. Let's now grind this into a smooth paste. Here we are. Let's now go to the stove. Pour half a cup of oil into a pot that's on medium heat. When the oil heats up, add a 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, and 2 star anise. Add the lemongrass next. Then stir everything together. You next add the chili paste. Go ahead and stir to bring the ingredients together. I've changed to a wok because the pot was too small. I've also reduced the flame to a low medium. Add the curry leaves and continue to saute. We'll next add the chicken pieces, increase the flame to medium and stir well to coat the chicken pieces with the curry paste. We'll then leave the chicken to cook in its own juice. Add the potatoes after a minute or so. Once the chicken and potatoes are well combined, we'll add salt to taste. When the salt is well incorporated with the other ingredients, add 600 ml of water. I'm using water with which I rinsed the grinder. Next, we'll increase the flame and let the curry come to a boil. When the curry comes to a boil, add the kaffir lime leaves and reduce the flame to medium. Then cover and cook until the chicken and potatoes are done. The chicken and potatoes have been cooking for 12 minutes. Let's check if the potatoes are done. If they are done, then the chicken is done as well. The potato is beautifully done. You can now go ahead and add 200 ml of thick coconut milk. After that, you reduce the flame to low. Then stir to mix this creamy coconut milk with the curry. We'll then leave this curry to come to a boil. When the curry comes to a slow boil, check for salt and then leave the curry to cook for another 2 minutes, still on a low flame. After 2 minutes on a low flame, give the curry a stir and then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you like. Then stir to bring everything together and then leave the curry to cook for another minute. The Nyonya Chicken Curry is now done. You can turn the stove off now and then cover and let the curry rest. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.